Hello everyone. Have you been looking for a way to add signature to your Gmail account? Or you've not thought of it before? Well, you are on the right video. Make sure you watch this video to the end because today we will be showing you on how to go about it.
The first thing you have to do is to go to your browser, go to your Gmail, then go to your settings at the top right corner of your screen. Make sure you click on all settings, then scroll down to where signature is. Signature, look at it right here. Here there is no signature. You click on create new. I'm going to create the signature for work, so I'm going to type work here. Click on create. Then I can type my name. CEO AHA Sports. Lagos Free Zone. Mobile. +234 8060 254540. Website www.aha.com.ng. After you finish typing your signature, then you come to this icon, this very icon, signature default. Click on this small icon, click on work, that is for new email. You will use this. So if you want the signature to reflect when you are replying a mail or forward a mail to another user, you also click on work, right? Then you go down to the last thing, click save change. Now let's test by sending a mail to another email whether the signature we created will reflect in the new one. Click on compose. You can see the signature is already appearing. Let's write to James. Yes, James Jimmy44@yahoo.co.uk. Subject information. Important information. Dear James, I just opened my Yahoo mail. You can take a look at it. Look at the important information here. This is the mail sent. If you zoom it out or zoom it in, look at it. Dear James, kindly notify all our fans that we are now on YouTube channel called The Royal Jet. Kindly tell them to please like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you. Ogojin, CEO, AHA Sport. Lagos Free Zone, mobile number, and the website. And this is how to add your signature to your Gmail account. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And also, don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section. See you in our next video.